Saw this jig in my news feed, and I didn't think it would work, and it didn't, okay? Thank God everybody's safe. All right, I 3D printed this push stick. It came out pretty nice, and got myself a little board. Let's build this jig. Put a line where I'm gonna put the stick, punch some holes in, drill them out, and knock off the other side. This is just a jig, and I'm gonna use super glue and wood screws. Drive in the screws. All right, now this thing needs to glide super smooth. For that, I'm gonna use this bowling alley wax. It works really well, actually. Love it. And it's not expensive at all. Goes on and dries pretty quickly. This is just a jig, so right here I cut off the excess. I'm gonna make it exactly 3.5 inches. There we go. Now it's 3.5, and I'm just gonna move it over by 1/8. And this will get me 1/8 of an inch thin strips, according to the video I watched. Put on a zero clearance insert. And we're ready to go. So you get the idea, right? Now I'm gonna stand to the side of the blade because of this. Not standing behind the blade. It's instant, shoots it out. I mean, I got 1/8 of an inch piece, but bad jig. Don't do it.